Hello friends! Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an interesting Instagram story using Sister Add Your Stickers. Instagram stories are a great way to share special moments with your followers. And using creative elements like stickers can further enhance your content. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, update it. Once you've done that, open the Instagram app. Then, tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen to open the search. In the search bar, type manmauji, then tap on the profile that looks like the one I'll be touching. Now, find the highlighted post titled Template and tap on it. Next, locate the story titled Sister, then tap on Add Yours. This will open your Instagram camera. You can now add a photo of your sister or yourself with your sister. After adding the photo, you can move it, resize it, or add other effects to personalize your story. That's all. Your story is now ready to be published. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future content. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.